Welcome back to Jessica Lynn Original Studios. Today we're diving into Halloween at Michael's and Lowe's 2025. And trust me, it is packed with spooky surprises from life-size Halloween animatronics to haunted house decor, witches, skeletons, and plenty of pumpkins. I love checking out all of the amazing displays that these stores put together. So we're gonna go aisle by aisle to see the best Halloween decorations and the scariest animatronics, and not to mention some of that must-have spooky decor for your haunted home. So whether you're looking for indoor Halloween ideas, outdoor inflatables, or just want to enjoy the magic of Halloween shopping, welcome. Grab your pumpkin spice latte, get comfortable, and let's head into Michael's and Lowe's to see what's haunting the shelves this year. So one of the goals that Aaron and I have for this year is we want to go ahead and design a haunted mansion front yard. So I do have a lot of trips to some of these stores to try and find pieces that we could alter and change and turn into something pretty amazing. Another neighborhood near us actually had a full Nightmare Before Christmas house for Halloween. It was amazing. And so our goal is to try and do something along those same lines. And so I will be documenting the process here, so just know that that video is coming in the next couple of weeks. As we start to build pieces, we'll share out what we've done. Unfortunately, Joann fabric is gone, which makes me so sad, but Michael's has really kind of stepped up their game this year. I feel like there's a lot more Halloween than there's ever been. And I love these adorable little, it's the most wonderful time of the year. I love that. Halloween is. I love Christmas too, but Halloween is a ton of fun. But I love that they've stepped up their game and added these fun pillows and a lot of just decor for the house. I love this little ghost. Look how cute she is. Ah. I was actually right here in the store when my phone started going crazy. And I was kind of like, oh my gosh, what is going on? And we found out that we had hit 50,000 subscribers. And so if you notice the picture that I used, it's actually with that ghost. So that was kind of a cool moment. Now, the other thing I noticed that they have is a lot of these little towns. They didn't have a lot of them plugged in, so unfortunately I couldn't demo them for you. But they had a lot of really cute ones, new ones too. The thing I like about Michael's, they do such a great job with their seasonal aisles. You can always see they've got a mix of like classic orange and black, but then in a minute we're going to see that they have a ton of modern styles. So they've got a lot of pink and orange and bright kind of neon colors. They've also got some farmhouse style inspired decor. So I like the fact that whether you're going for creepy gothic, cozy autumn, there's a lot of things to choose. The other thing I noticed is that they've been offering a lot more sales on some of these type of products. I actually bought this candelabra trio a couple of weeks ago. I went to test it out in the store and I couldn't get it to work, but at home, the one I have, the little candles each have little glowy faces that show up and they interact and they sing. So definitely take the time, because when we first walked out, my husband was like, oh, it's just a candelabra. And I said, no, you have to see what it does. So definitely, if you are into, buying the decor for your house, you're going to invest the money, be sure to take the time to see what all the different products are, because you might find one that surprises you. I ended up buying that adorable cat, and it now lives in my backyard with some pumpkins. It's so cute. And so I took it and actually put some glow-in-the-dark paint on it. And we have these lights that we put in the yard that when you put the purple lights on it, it just glows. It's so cool. This is the fun disco bat. I thought that was adorable. And again, over here is where they've got some of the more modern color schemes. I've noticed a lot of the pink, white, and black seems to be on trend for this year. Not really my Halloween thing. I don't like to buy on trend Halloween things. I'm really a classic Halloween kind of person. I like that it lives for many seasons. Although I will tell you, some of the disco sequence is a lot of fun. Now the other thing that I noticed when walking around is that they have a ton of DIY stuff too. So don't be afraid to get some of these kits, or there's a bunch of like foam products. They have a lot of baking supplies, so you can get like cookie cutters, cookie sprinkles. You can make your own wreaths. They have a ton of black ribbon, roses. They have a whole Alice in Wonderland theme if you're into that. So don't be afraid to look into some of that. We love having the kids paint and design DIY stuff, and then those just become part of our yearly Halloween decorations. Alright, so let's go ahead and move over to Lowe's. When it comes to Halloween shopping, Lowe's has seriously stepped up their game. And if you are a Disney fanatic like I am, and you love Halloween like I do, they have really gone all in on the Disney Halloween. So there were fun different mats. There were a ton of different styles. I was really bummed because they actually had a Haunted Mansion mat that I could have gotten, but it was not there. It already sold out. That's the only trick I've noticed with Lowe's, is that people start watching it once they hit about mid-August, because those items for Disney go really fast. This year we were able to get on their website, and we were able to get a very cool Master Gracie light up blow mold tombstone. So I am so excited about that. I cannot wait to see how it looks. But his, to me, is always the special tombstone. So I think it's going to be great to have that in our collection. The other thing that's really nice is they have a ton of animatronics. They have glowing pumpkins, and they also have a ton of huge yard inflatables. And some of them I've never seen before. They had a ton of Bluey. So if you are a Bluey family, definitely think about that. The other thing I really like is they've got a mix of kind of creepy, scary stuff, all the way to like really cute, kid-friendly characters. So whether you want to terrify your neighborhoods or just keep it fun and festive, there's really a little bit of everything. So when you go and you look at these, definitely take a look at the buttons. They've got the try it now buttons, and be patient. There were a couple of them where like, wait, how does this work? And then it would light up something else. So oftentimes they might be together on like 3 or 4 different ones. And I loved that tombstone there with it popped up. I thought, with a Haunted Mansion theme, that might be kind of fun. $159, a little expensive, but still a very cool product. The other thing I really like is that they have these huge displays, so you can kind of see, full picture of how it's really going to look in your yard. And last year for Halloween, we purchased these really fun, they light up. Basically, you put them in the sun, they glow, they can do, I think, like 7 different colors, or they can mix through the colors. And it really brought our Halloween to life. They've started doing trick-or-treat in our neighborhood more at night now. Love this. Now, these are cute. I'm actually planning on making our own version of the Haunted Mansion Hitchhiking Ghost. I'm going to be painting them, so they're going to be much larger than this. My only worry with sticking that outside is I just wouldn't want somebody to wreck it. But they were very cute. They sang really loud. And then as we kind of scrolled over, they had a Halloween bust. They had the dog that's in the pet cemetery. They also had, let me just scroll up, the Corpse Bride, which is weird because I thought they had that at Spirit Halloween for the last couple of years, so it was really weird to see that at Lowe's. Now the other thing that I really like, but I don't like its price tag, up at the upper top there's a Master Gracie, and he's in a picture frame. So when you first walk into the Haunted Mansion, you see him go from his mortal, corruptible life into his skeleton. And I was kind of bummed because I saw this on the website and I was really excited. This was the one piece that I was really thinking about purchasing. And then when I saw it in person, it sort of just flickers a little bit of light. And it's $180, $79.95. I think too expensive for what it is. And I wonder, I'm going to go look up some DIY projects on YouTube and just see if somebody else has come up with a better way to transform Master Gracie. Now, the other thing I loved is tons of Disney blow molds. In the years past, they've always been sold out. They've never been available. There was at least 6 of those little Mickey ghosts and 4 minis. Not to mention huge inflatable pumpkins, Stitch, Donald, and Snoopy, and then a couple others. So, super fun. Just know, one of the things we did run into at our Lowe's was that Master Gracie, it was the last one available. And so there was a nice package on the ground that said display only. And so we were like, cool, well, can we buy the display? And they were like, no. So just know that if it's not on the website, they don't let you buy it. But that's okay. That's fine. For the cost, I really don't know that it was worth that price at all. Now, the Dancing Halloween, you know, the Haunted Mansion Ghost, maybe. But even that, I think I've seen some stuff on DIY that I might try this year that might be a better alternative. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at some of these large-sized animatronics. Yeah. Werewolf, you'd like him, dude. Look at him. Okay. Well, he's big up there. If I had tons of extra money, maybe, but I have to pick, right?
Oh, you dare step into my presence? You stumble into a realm where trespassers are met with curses.
Oh, look at the big dragon way up on top. He looks like a party balloon, though. The nice part is most of these were in stock. So if you are looking for them, it shouldn't be too hard to find them. But again, it is still very early in the Halloween season. So if I were you and you're thinking, oh my gosh, he is what I need in my yard, I would probably go purchase him sooner than later. And if you purchase on their website, they'll ship them to you for free. Well, thank you so much for coming along with me today to check out all the spooky Halloween fun at Michael's and Lowe's. From animatronics, DIY crafts, to even giant inflatables, there were so many fun and amazing decorations to see. If you saw something you love, I'll go ahead and drop some Amazon Halloween links below down in the description, just so you can bring a little haunted magic right to your doorstep. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed shopping with me. Subscribe to Jessica Lynn Original Studios for more Halloween hauls, room tours, and family travel adventures. Until next time, stay spooky and happy decorating.